Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some good deals this week. And you know how I do. I would never waste your time around here. So let's jump right into them. This deal is a today only paper deal, and I was not going to do this deal until I saw the way that Kayla Coupon, shout out to her over on Instagram, did her deal, and I was like, you know what, I can go ahead and do this deal today. Now this deal is today only unless we do get a new digital coupon for Georgia Pacific products tomorrow, because this digital coupon does expire today. And this deal must be done on the old system. So I'm going to go ahead and do this deal one time, and I am going to pick up $45 worth of Georgia Pacific products. This week, when you buy $30 worth of Georgia Pacific products, you're going to save $10 off instantly at the register. And we have that 10 off of 40, my apologies, as of today, that is also adding on. So the first thing I'm going to be grabbing is this Angel Soft 12 equals 72 Super Mega. So this is $10.49. It counts for our 10 off of 30, and it also counts for our 10 off of 40. It's two of the Brawny paper towels. These are $10.49. And then I'm also going to grab a Sparkle paper towel for $10.49. You can get this 10 equals 20, or you can get this 10 equals 18. Grab a Vanity Fair for $3.99 as the last item in my deal, just so I can use all of my coupons as well. So this is my complete deal. I have an Angel Soft 12 equals 72. I have two of the Brawny. I have a Sparkle and a Vanity Fair. Now I've gone up to the $45 mark with this deal instead of the $40 mark, even though our coupon is 10 off of 40, because I also have $5 in individual coupons for these items that I want to come off. $2 here, $1 here, $1 here, and $1 here. So for that $5 additional to come off, I need to be at $45. I have to go $5 over. These are $45.95. We'll save $10 with the spend 30 sale. We'll save $10 with our digital, and we're going to save $5 with our coupons. At the register, I'm going to have to pay out $20.95. And then for my second Brawny, I'm also going to submit over to Swagbucks for $2, because we only have one $2 digital coupon for the Brawny. So for this second one that we're not using the $2 digital on, I want to get that $2 back. So if they give me that back, it'll be $18.95 for all 5 items. When we divide that up, these will just be $3.79 per item, which is not bad at all for these big packages. Now to go with this deal, I'm going to add in this money maker on the Polaner, I hope I'm saying that right, fruit spread. So these are buy one get one for $4.45 at my store. We have a Swagbucks rebate that actually just increased in value and is now $5 off of 2. If you save the previous one that was $4 back on 2, take that off of your list. So remove it and then close the app out and add it back with that $5 value, so these can be a money maker. Because if you submit it for that $4, you're gonna have to pay a little bit for these, and we want to get these for what? For $3.99. So we're gonna pick up a total. I might pick up 4 of these. I have to see what the max is. But if you just pick up 2 for $4.45, you'll pick up those 2, get back $5 from Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox Dollars, all of those sister sites, and that'll make these a 55-cent money maker on 2. And I'm happy I looked a little bit closer, because we actually have to pick up the Very Berry, but these are also included in the buy one sale as well. And this is what the rebate is for. So you have to get that Very Berry. So we're going to get these right here. So 2 of these will still be a money maker. They're just going to be a 31-cent money maker instead of a 55-cent money maker. So you can pick up this raspberry or this strawberry. So I just checked out with the 5 paper products and the 2 Very Berry Polaner preserves or jellies. And that came up to $25.94 at the register. Everything worked out great. And then I submitted on Swagbucks for $7 back, $2 for the Brawny, and $5 for the jelly. And so if that goes through, both of them went to review. They did not go through automatically. If those go through, that'll be $18.94 for that cart. Not bad at all. I love it when we have this deal on the Springer Mountain Farms ground chicken. Remember to pick up the 92% and not the 99%. That's like $5.99. We want the one that is $4.49 BOGO. We're going to pick up a total of 2 of those, and then use these $1.50 printable coupons that you get when you sign up for their emails on their website. They send those out every single month. So we are going to save $3 off of that $4.49 BOGO price, making these only 75 cents a pound. Bonnie Zero Sugar are on sale 10 for 10, so they'll be only $1 a piece. We do have $8 off of 5 digital coupon that'll make them just 80 cents. The Wonder Cake products are on sale. Buy one, get one for as low as $3.25. You want to pick up 2. I have $1 back on 2 on Ibotta. It'll make it $2.25 for 2, or about $1.12 each. I also found that the Greenwise mixed frozen fruit was on clearance at my store for $1.27. So I went ahead and grabbed a bag of these just because I make a lot of smoothies and this is a good deal. Peanut butter spread is on sale. Buy one, get one for $4.29. Pick up 2 of them for $4.29 and then submit for this rebate back on Fetch for 1,500 points back on each. And after the $3 back from Fetch, final cost on these is going to be just 64 cents. The bags of Tide are on sale for buy one, get one, and they are $8.99. So what you want to do is pick up one of the Oxy Boost bags and then also pick up one of the regular bags. And then in your Publix app, make sure that you have both of your Tide digital coupons clipped. We have $1.55 off one bag and then the $2.05 for the Power Pods. That is going to come off of each bag, saving you $3.60, making these just $2.69 each. I'm not going to be doing a huge food haul this week because we do have a lot of repeat deals from last week on the food items, and one of them is on the Nabisco snack packs. So if you did not grab enough of these last week, these are still buy one, get one this week, and they're priced as low as $7.89 for 2. And I thought that the packs that I had picked up a couple days ago were $8.49, but they were actually $7.89 when I got up to the register. Let me show you what I did. I came back a couple days ago and picked up these 2. They were $7.89, buy one, get one. No digital coupons, but I did submit over on Ibotta for this $1.50 rebate back, and I also got back $1.50 from Fetch Rewards for hitting my Nabisco offer for cookies and crackers. So that made these only $2.15 a piece. Another repeat deal is the Mott's fruit-filled bars. So these are still buy one, get one for $4.79. My store finally put out the packages that had those $1 off of 2 peelies. If you have those at your store, you'll pay $3.79 for 2. And those were found up at the front for me on the display. And then you can submit back for another day or so for another $1 back on each box on Ibotta. That'll make it just $1.79 for 2. And then of course scan over to Fetch Rewards. My $1 Fetch offer is gone. That would have made these a freebie, but we still have a pretty good deal. That's like 89 cents each with just the coupon plus I don't have any coupons for Capri Suns, but Capri Suns are a stocking spree item. So if you need these for back to school lunches, now is definitely the time to pick these up and then submit those receipts over to Stocking Spree so that you can get that credit. And be on the lookout for these peely coupons on your boxes of Cheerios that are also buy one, get one this week for as low as $4.99. These coupons are actually $1 off one box. These will definitely come in handy and do not expire until May 2026. More stocking spree goodness is the bubbly sparkling water. This week, these are buy 2, get 2 free. So you can pick up a total of 4 cases of these, and then you want to use your 3 off of 3 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $8.58 for 4 of the cases, or making them $2.14 per case. Another deal that's still going is on the Lysol wipes. These are still buy one, get one for $5.28. If you're in Florida and need to pick up 2, you want to use that $1 digital coupon when you pick up 2. It'll make final cost on these just $2.14 each. Or if you're in a state outside of Florida, you can just pick up one of these babies and it'll be $1.64 for one. Another stocking spree item that's on sale this week is the Dawn. So these babies are on sale for $4.99. We got the Power Wash, the Power Suds, and these big bottles of Platinum. We do have brand new digital coupons for these. So we have these $2 off if you just want to pick up one of them if you need it. It'll make these $2.99 a bottle. This week, the Scrubbing Bubble Fresh Gels are buy one, get one for $4.99. On coupons.com, we do have 75-cent off printable coupons. That'll leave you to pay $3.49 for 2 of these, or making them $1.75 each. The Shout is also BOGO and priced as low as $4.19. We also have 75-cent coupons on these on coupons.com. So that'll leave you to pay $2.69 for 2, or making those $1.35. And then I don't have a coupon for this, but this seems like a pretty good deal for this 88-ounce container of Clorox 2. It is on clearance for half price for $8.84. Next thing we're grabbing is 2 of the Talenti. This is the bakery collection that I need to grab because of the fetch offers that we have. So these are buy one, get one for $6.89. I have a total of $2.25 in fetch points back on each one. So that'll give me $2.25 back on each one. And then we also have these $1 printable coupons from their emails. So at the register, I'm going to have to pay out $4.89, but then I'm going to get back a total of $4.50 from fetch, making these only 19 cents a piece. A really good deal. The Tillamook ice cream is a really good deal this week. These are buy one, get one for $8.19. So what we're going to do is pick up 2 because I've printed off these $3 printable coupons from their emails. Now these coupons are only good for 3 different flavors. It's the peaches and cream, the cherry flavor, or the strawberry. So I'm going to get the peaches and the strawberry. We have $3 off each one. So final cost on these will be just $1.09 each. Next thing I'm gonna grab is this Brazy Bright cheese bread. So I haven't tried this product before, but we do have a $2 digital coupon that is about to expire July 31st. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. That'll be $3.59. And then I am going to use that $2 digital. So that'll be $1.59 for one. We have a new rebate offer for spend 20, get back a $10 Visa gift card for Quaker and Frito-Lay products. And I've heard through the grapevine, I've seen on Facebook posts that this is tracking the pre-BOGO price at old stores. I'm not sure about the new system stores. So to be on the safe side, I am just going to do this deal, spending the $20 after the discounts are applied, so after the BOGO sale. I'm doing it that way just so that you can duplicate the deal regardless of what type of system you're on, and to just be on the safe side to ensure that everyone gets that $10 back. But if you're on the old system, you can test out just doing it with the pre-BOGO pricing to get to that $20 mark. Now, I think it's still a pretty good deal because you're only spending $20 and you're getting back 10. It's already a 50% discount. Then you're saving 50% with the buy one, get one. So either way, it's a good deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 2 boxes of the Captain Crunch first. You can get whichever flavor that you like that are buy one, get one. The next thing I'm going to grab in my Quaker deal is 2 bags of these Simply Cheeto Puffs. Now, if you don't like these Simply products, all of the varieties are included, so you can pick out what you want. But if you don't like those, you could also grab some of these Quaker Rice Crisps down here as well. You could get 2 bags of these as an alternate. These are also included in the deal. But I am going to grab, I think, 1 bag of these Cheeto Puffs, and then I also think I'm going to get a bag of these Simply Tostitos chips as well. And then for these 2 Simply snacks, we also have this $1 off of 2 digital coupon. This is only good into the 30th. Is that today? I think so. So this is going to be today only as far as this coupon. And then of course, for the final item in our deal, we're going to get one of the Frito-Lay snacks. So these are not BOGO, but they are on sale for $8.99. Need these for lunches. So we're going to grab one of these because they also track for that spend 20, get $10. So this is my complete spend 20, get $10 in a gift card back to school Quaker deal. And you can see the details for this are also on the box of the Frito-Lay mix that we picked up. So we have a total of $20 and $21.37. This is after the buy one, get one sale is applied. Now again, I have seen that it is working with the pre-BOGO prices, but I'm just going to go on ahead and get $20 worth post the discount. So this is $21.37. We do have that $1 digital coupon for the Simply product. So after our coupon, we're still at that $20 mark, and then we'll get back the $10 for spending 20. So that's going to make final cost for all 5 of these items. So we got the box, we got these 2, and we got these 2 boxes right here. When we divide that up by 5, these are going to be $2.07 each. Now, if you're on the old system and want to try out just doing the price after the buy one get one sale is applied, all three of these, if you were to just pick up three of these items, would total up to $15.18 for you to pay at the register, and then you would get that $10 back. It would make it $5.18 for all three. When you divide that up, that makes them $1.72 each. Another stocking spree item is also these chips right here. I forgot about these. So this is one of those weeks where you can easily knock out a stocking spree to get that $10 back, but definitely scan in for the chips as well. These other items, I don't think they count, but this one definitely does. Another deal we have that's a repeat from last week is on the Nestle Pure Life Water. So these are buy one, get one for $5.99, and we have the $3 back when you spend $8 rebate. Now, last week I was like, oh, we need to spend $8, so pick up 4 of them. But if you're on the old system, I've seen so many posts saying that just picking up 2 on the old system now is working, so it's tracking the pre-BOGO price for this rebate. So if that's the case, then you can pick up 2 and then get back that $3. That'll make these just $1.49. So this week I am gonna pick up 2 of these cases just to see if I get that $3 back, and I will let you know up on the screen if I did get that $3 back for picking up 2 of these cases on the old system. So here's everything that I ended up picking up today. I did 2 different transactions. In one of the transactions, which was just my back to school items, so I wanted to do all of those on one transaction so it could be a short receipt. I did that Quaker deal with the spend 20 get back 10, and I also had the cheese bites on that transaction. After the 2 coupons came off for the cheese bites and the Simply, I ended up paying out $21.96, and then of course I submitted back for that $10 Quaker rebate, which will make that transaction $11.96. And then I did everything else on my second transaction. I got my Pure Life water, I got the mixed fruit that was on clearance, the Tillamook, the Talenti, and the Springer Mountain Farms ground chicken. After all of my paper coupons came off, I ended up paying out $14.23. I got back $4.50 from Fetch Rewards, and I got back $3 instantly from that water, made that transaction $6.73. This was a pretty good week at the pub. I ended up getting a lot more than I thought I was going to get this week. I ended up with 2 full carts. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.